Ladies and gentlemen, fear is one of the most powerful emotions we experience. It can hold us back, keep us from pursuing our dreams, taking risks, or stepping into the unknown. But fear is not the enemy. In fact, fear is often a sign that you are standing at the edge of something meaningful, something that has the power to change your life. Today, I want to talk about how to face fear head on, conquer it, and transform it into a force that propels you toward your greatest potential. Fear is a natural part of growth. First, let's acknowledge something important. Fear is normal, it's a part of being human. But fear doesn't have to control you. It's not the presence of fear that defines us, it's how we respond to it. Key idea: fear is a signal that you are stepping outside your comfort zone. It means you are growing, stretching, and challenging yourself to become more. Example: when Serena Williams faces the pressure of a championship match, does she feel fear? Of course, but she doesn't let it stop her. Instead, she channels that fear into focus and determination. Understand the root of your fear. To conquer fear, you need to understand it. Ask yourself, what am I truly afraid of? Is it failure, judgment, uncertainty? Often fear is rooted in what ifs, but most of those scenarios never come true. Action step: write down your fear, break it into smaller pieces. When you see it on paper, it becomes less overwhelming. Example: J.K. Rowling was terrified of rejection, but she faced that fear by sending her manuscript to publishers. Each rejection brought her closer to success because she refused to let fear dictate her actions. Face fear with action. The greatest antidote to fear is action. Fear thrives on inaction and grows when we avoid it. But when you take even a small step toward confronting your fear, you weaken its power over you. Key idea: courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. Example: Rosa Parks didn't let fear stop her from standing up for her rights. Her courageous action sparked a movement and changed the course of history. Action step: take one step today toward what scares you. Whether it's making a difficult phone call, starting a new project, or speaking in front of an audience, action dissolves fear. Reframe fear as an opportunity. Fear often feels like a barrier, but it's actually a gateway. It's an opportunity to grow, learn, and become stronger. Reframing exercise. Instead of saying I'm scared, try saying I'm excited. The physiological responses to fear and excitement, racing heart, adrenaline rush, are the same. The difference is your mindset. Example: Michael Jordan missed more than 9,000 shots in his career, but he never let the fear of failure stop him. He viewed every missed shot as an opportunity to improve. Build your support system. You don't have to face fear alone. Surround yourself with people who encourage, inspire, and believe in you. Example: Malala Yousafzai faced immense fear while advocating for girls' education. But with the support of her family and community, she found the strength to speak up and become a global symbol of courage. Action step: reach out to someone who can support you in facing your fears. Whether it's a friend, mentor, or coach, their encouragement can make all the difference. Celebrate small wins. Every time you face a fear, no matter how small, celebrate it. Recognize your progress and build momentum. Key idea: confidence grows through action, and each small victory strengthens your ability to tackle bigger challenges. Example: think about how children learn to swim. At first, they are terrified of the water, but with each step, dipping their toes, floating, taking their first stroke, they build confidence until they are swimming with ease. Remember, fear is temporary, regret is permanent. One of the most powerful motivators for overcoming fear is remembering this. Fear is temporary, but regret lasts a lifetime. Ask yourself, will I look back and wish I had taken this chance? Will I regret letting fear hold me back? Example, think of Elon Musk. He faced countless fears and uncertainties while pursuing groundbreaking projects like Tesla and SpaceX. But his willingness to embrace risk and confront fear led to extraordinary success. Fear is not your enemy, it's your guide. It shows you where growth, opportunity, and transformation lie. When you feel fear, don't run from it. Face it, understand it, reframe it, take action despite it. Because on the other side of fear is everything you have ever dreamed of. As Nelson Mandela once said, I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. So today I challenge you, face one fear, take one step toward a dream that scares you. Use fear as a stepping stone to build your courage and strength. Because when you conquer fear, you unlock your greatest potential. And that is the beginning of a truly extraordinary life. Thank you.